Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and signal. Make sure the car is running and the infotainment has booted. Once done, connect your phone via USB or Bluetooth if you prefer an app, and grant location permission. Open the map and choose whether you want to north up or heading up orientation so the display matches your preference. Then, set voice guidance volume. You need to hear alerts over road noise. Enter a destination using touch or voice to begin routing immediately. Once a route appears, inspect alternatives. Tap alternate routes to compare time, distance, and toll exposure. Make sure live traffic and incident layers are on so the map can reroute around slowdowns. This reduces delays and stress. Use lane guidance and junction views to prepare for complex exits. If you need stops, add waypoints in order and set expected arrival time so the system optimizes speed and routing. Finally, lock the screen or enable Do Not Disturb for safety. You approach the destination by following turn-by-turn cues and checking the display for upcoming maneuvers. If you miss a turn, the system recalculates, resume driving and let it update the route. Should the GPS lose signal, pull over safely, restart the navigation app, or toggle location services, this often restores accuracy. If maps freeze, reboot the head unit. Finally, keep offline maps downloaded or use a phone hotspot as a backup. This prevents complete navigation loss if...
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.